Looking for a convenient way to keep your clothes fresh without taking up too much space? The best portable washing machine for apartment living makes laundry effortless, compact, and efficient, perfect for small spaces and busy lifestyles. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Auertech Portable Washing Machine for Apartment. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine is an excellent solution for apartment dwellers seeking convenience without sacrificing performance. Designed with a twin tub system, it allows simultaneous washing and spinning, saving both time and energy. The washer has an 18-pound capacity, while the spinner can handle up to 10 pounds, making it perfect for small households, dorms, or RVs. The 1,300 revolutions per minute motor ensures clothes are thoroughly cleaned in a fraction of the time compared to manual washing. Its compact, lightweight design allows easy placement in tight spaces like bathrooms or closets, while the transparent lid provides a clear view of the washing and spinning process. Auertech has thoughtfully included a drainage pump and adjustable inlet hose, allowing users to drain water conveniently, even to elevated locations. The simple control panel, with separate knobs for washing, spinning, and mode selection, makes operation intuitive for anyone, including the elderly. Additional features such as the lint filter, clear water line indicators, and overload protection enhance the user experience. While the machine requires balancing the spinner to prevent vibrations and occasional monitoring of the drain hose, these minor considerations are outweighed by the overall efficiency and practicality of the product. This portable washer delivers strong performance, saves water, and reduces physical effort, making laundry day stress-free. For apartment living, dorms, or small spaces, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine is an exceptional choice that combines functionality, convenience, and durability. Number 2. Bodacious Portable Washing Machine for Apartment. The Bodacious Portable Washing Machine stands out as a versatile, high-tech solution for small space living. Designed specifically for apartments, dorms, and RVs, it features ultra-quiet operation at just 55 dB, ensuring peaceful laundry sessions even in shared living environments. The transparent quiet close lid allows users to monitor their clothes during washing, combining convenience with reduced noise disruption. This full automatic washer offers 10 selectable wash modes, catering to various fabric types and laundry needs. Its LED display shows real-time updates on washing cycles, keeping users informed throughout the process. The machine's IPX4 waterproof rating ensures safety in humid environments, protecting both the washer and the user. A dynamic unbalance detection system minimizes vibrations during operation, extending the life of the appliance and maintaining safety. The child lock feature adds an additional layer of protection for households with kids. Powered by a high-efficiency motor, the Bodacious washer supports 24-hour delayed washing, allowing users to schedule laundry at their convenience. This energy-efficient design not only saves time and electricity, but also delivers powerful cleaning performance. The compact, lightweight structure makes installation simple, and its advanced features provide an almost hands-free laundry experience. Overall, the Bodacious Portable Washing Machine offers a perfect combination of convenience, efficiency, and safety. For apartment residents seeking an automatic, quiet, and energy-conscious washing solution, this model provides an outstanding balance of performance and practicality. Number 3. Costway Portable Washing Machine for Apartment. The Costway Portable Washing Machine is a compact and practical appliance that offers flexibility and efficiency for apartment living. Featuring a twin tub design, it combines washing and spinning functions, allowing clothes to be moved directly from the washing tub to the spinner, saving time and effort. With a washing capacity of 12 pounds and a spinning capacity of 8 pounds, it is suitable for small families or individuals living in apartments, dorms, or even for camping trips. The machine is powered by a 330W washing motor and a 110W spinning motor, providing sufficient performance for everyday laundry needs. Users can customize washing and spinning durations, with a timer control offering 15 minutes for washing and 5 minutes for spinning, making the process flexible based on fabric type or soil level. The simple 3-knob interface, including washing selector, washing timer, and spin timer, ensures that the machine is user-friendly for all age groups. Additionally, its compact, lightweight structure allows placement in tight spaces, making it ideal for apartments or small homes. Costway has also incorporated a side filter for easy cleaning, keeping the machine maintained with minimal effort. While it may not have the extensive wash programs of full automatic machines, the Costway model delivers reliable cleaning performance, convenience, and durability. Its efficiency, space-saving design, and straightforward operation make it a practical choice for anyone needing a portable washing solution. For apartment residents seeking a no-fuss, high-performing mini washer, the Costway portable washing machine is a dependable and effective option. Number 4. Auertech 27 pounds portable washing machine for apartment. The Auertech 27 pounds portable washing machine is a powerful, full automatic solution designed to meet the diverse laundry needs of apartment residents. With 10 wash cycles and 5 adjustable water levels, it caters to various fabric types and load sizes, from delicate garments to bulky items. Quick wash, standard, bulky, spin only, wash only, soak, rinse and spin, tub air dryer, and tub clean programs make this washer highly versatile, while the customizable water levels ensure efficient cleaning. Equipped with a 400W motor and 1,600 revolutions per minute spin speed, this machine delivers fast, thorough washing and effective water extraction, reducing drying time. The 24-hour delay feature allows users to schedule washing cycles, adding convenience for busy households. A built-in drain pump makes water disposal easy from any height, eliminating manual draining, and the self-cleaning function keeps the drum free from detergent residue. Compact dimensions, 23 inches by 23 inches by 36 inches, make it ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs, while the faucet adapter simplifies installation. This portable washer combines power, versatility, and user-friendly features, ensuring consistent cleaning performance without occupying much space. With intuitive controls, efficient operation, and multiple wash options, it provides a seamless laundry experience. For apartment residents seeking a full-featured, reliable, and space-saving washing machine, the Auertech 27 pounds portable washer is an excellent choice, offering convenience, durability, and performance in one compact package. Number 5. Rovsun portable washing machine for apartment. The Rovsun portable washing machine is a compact, all-in-one laundry solution designed for apartments, dorms, and small living spaces. Featuring a 17.8-pound capacity, this fully automatic washer combines washing and drying functions, allowing clothes to be washed and spin-dried in a single process. This two-in-one design saves time and simplifies laundry day, making it an ideal choice for busy individuals or small households. The diamond-patterned inner drum reduces wear on fabrics while improving cleaning performance, ensuring clothes remain fresh and spotless after every cycle. Users can select from 8 wash modes and 5 water levels, making it suitable for various fabrics, from heavily soiled items to delicate clothing. Quick wash cycles in just 26 minutes provide added convenience for time-sensitive laundry tasks. Rovsun also focuses on safety and ease of use, with features such as adjustable feet for stability, a child lock, and a self-cleaning stainless steel drum that maintains hygiene. The control panel is clear and intuitive, making operation straightforward for anyone in the household. Lightweight and compact, this portable washer fits easily into tight spaces without compromising performance. Overall, the Rovsun portable washing machine combines versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly features, providing a seamless laundry experience for apartment dwellers. Its all-in-one design, superior cleaning performance, and convenience make it a highly practical and reliable choice for those seeking a compact, high-performing washing solution. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.